Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set or change a target line dynamically in Power BI. Let me switch to the computer for the demo. So first I will add a column chart from Power BI Visual Gallery. So I will increase the height of this visual and, I'll place it here. Now from the data model, I will add a product on x-axis and sum of order quantity on y-axis. So as you can see here, the chart is ready, sum of order quantity by product. Okay, now I want to add a one target line for order quantity. So I'll select this visual and I will go to the analyze panel of this visual, and here you can see the one option constant line. Just expand this and here you will see the option add line. Just click on the add line and I'll do little bit formatting with the target line. So first I will rename it as a target, and I will make the line color as a dark blue and I'll make it dotted, and in the data label I'll enable a data label also, and I will say the right side positioning at right side, and I'll increase the font as a red color, something like that. So now if I'll set here 65, so I'll increase the thickness of the line also to 5. So here you can see the target line on 65, but this is like not dynamic, and our purpose is to make this line dynamic so the user can change. To do this, I will go to the modeling tab, and in the modeling tab I will click on new parameter, and here from here I will select numeric range and I will say target line. Okay, now is a whole number, and I'll keep minimum as 0 and maximum I'll say 100, and increment 1 default blank, and add slicer to this page, and I'll say carry it. So here you can see one slicer is added. I'll place it here, and in the data model you can see the one table is added, the target line and target line value. Now I will select again this visual, the column chart visual, and again I will go to the analyze panel already open here, and I'll expand the constant line, and from here the value I will remove 65, and I will select conditional formatting from here. It will open another window, and just expand this, and you will see the table target line. Expand this, and from here you select target line value. This is the parameter table. Now click OK. So line is disappear because we have selected blank as a default. So let me zoom in. So now I will set a target line from here 75. So you can see the target line at 75. I can use this slicer also to adjust the my target line, or I can dynamically type here, or I can type here directly, for example 80, and press enter. So line is set on 80. So this way you can dynamically change the target line. That's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.